Hello everyone! In this video, we focus on a unique elastic knit with lots of texture details, perfect shape retention, beautiful relief, and good volume. The repeat pattern consists of 3 loops and 2 rows. Let's start from the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, knit 1. From the next 2 loops, we form 3 as follows. Purl the second loop. Make a yarn over loop, and purl 2 loops together. Again. Knit 1. Purl the second. Yarn over, and purl 2 together. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1. Knit 1, knit 2 together through the back. Again. Purl 1, knit 1, knit 2 together. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. I present you with an elastic knit with a unique design, an ideal choice for voluminous clothes and accessories for the winter season. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to see every one of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.